Maemo e ne le a tsitsipaneng ka ntle ho seteishene sa sepolesa sa Dobsonville e le ha ditho tsa EFF le Operation Dudula di ipelaetsa. EFF e re ditho tsa Operation Dudula di otlile le ho tshosa setho sa bona.
They stripped his cupboards, they stripped his burglars, and when he entered that house, they started pushing him around, demanding drugs from him. And this is why Nhlanhla Lux is a coward, because he's not confronting gangsters who are selling drugs in Mitchell's Plain. He's not confronting gangsters in the CBDs of Johannesburg. He's not going to the harbors of this country where drugs are imported from.
Fela ditho tsa Operation Dudula di re ha di a etsa letho le phoso.
With the information we have, we go to the precinct commander, which is the station commander of the police station, and then we give them information to follow us and operationalize the information we give them.
Ho sa le jwalo, sepolesa sona se re sene se le lelapeng leo ho beya maemo leihlo.
The Operation Dudula will apply for a march, maybe a protest march or maybe whatever. Then by law, anybody is allowed to march. The police then should be with them just to protect them against any confrontation along the way.
EFF e entse temoso ena.
If they don't make an intervention on what Operation Dudula is happening here in Johannesburg, it's already started spreading to Alex. It has already started spreading to the Western Cape. We are going to encourage our people to defend themselves.
EFF e re sepolesa se lokela hore se tshware moetapele wa Operation Dudula pele matsatsi a supileng a feta. Fela Operation Dudula e re ikemiseditse ho lwantshana le taba ena ho fihlela pheletsong.